like your English is stuck and you have no time to study, stop. You don't need 3 hours. You just need your morning coffee and a new plan. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Vibes English podcasts. If you feel stuck with English, you're in the right place. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. Exactly. Today, we're learning in a simple, human way. Honestly, Sarah, I'm so excited about this because my morning usually involves me fighting with my alarm clock for 30 minutes.
You and everyone else, Ollie. But listen, today we are talking about the morning routine to improve your English. And no, guys, we aren't talking about waking up at 4 a.m. to read a dictionary.
Oh, thank goodness. Because I was about to close the laptop. I always thought that to get better at English, I had to sit at a desk for 2 hours before work. But I'm so tired in the morning.
That's the big mistake. Actually, let's be honest, nobody wants to study grammar while their eyes are still half closed. But what if I told you that the first 15 minutes of your day are like magic time for your brain?
Magic time? That sounds like a movie. But okay, tell me more. I wish I knew this earlier because right now my magic time is just staring at a wall.
Well, the brain is very plastic or open when you first wake up. You haven't started worrying about your boss or your bills yet. So if you put a little English in there first, it stays all day.
So wait, before we dive into the steps, guys, if you're listening right now and you always feel like you have no time for English, please hit that subscribe button. We make these episodes just for you to show you that you do have time.
Great point, Ollie. Early CTA. Now, let's talk about the first 5 minutes. Ollie, what's the first thing you do when you open your eyes?
Honestly, I check my phone. I check Instagram, the news, usually in my language.
Right, and that is where we change things. This is me 5 years ago. I was doing the same thing, but then I switched my phone language to English, and for the first 5 minutes, I only look at one English quote of the day or a short 1-minute video.
1 minute? That's it?
That's it. It's about waking up the English part of your brain. If you start in your native language, your brain closes the English door for the rest of the morning.
Oh, now I understand. It's like a warm-up. Like before you run a marathon, you stretch. You don't just start sprinting while wearing pajamas.
Exactly. Actually, let me tell you a real-life fail story. Last year, I tried to learn French. I told myself I would write a full essay every morning while eating breakfast.
An essay with eggs and toast?
It was a disaster. I got coffee on my notebook, I felt stupid because I didn't know the words, and after 3 days, I quit French completely. I hated it.
I feel that. I've done that with English books. I buy a big book, read 2 pages on Monday, and by Wednesday, it's a coaster for my tea.
Precisely. So, step 2 of the routine, the self-talk shower. The what? Sarah, are you telling people to talk to themselves in the shower? Yes, it's the best place. No one can hear you, the water is warm, you're relaxed. I want you to narrate your day. Say out loud, "Today I am going to have a meeting. I need to buy milk. I am feeling a bit tired, but the coffee will help."
I am washing my hair with English soap. Like that?
Maybe not the soap part, but yes, use simple A2, B1 sentences. Let's be honest, we all have these conversations in our heads anyway. Why not do them in English?
You know, that's interesting. Because when I talk to people, I get nervous. But in the shower, the only judge is the shampoo bottle.
And the shampoo bottle thinks your English is great, Ollie.
This is a great mini recap. So far, we have 1, phone language or 1-minute video to wake up, and 2, talking to yourself in the shower to practice speaking without fear.
Perfect recap. Now, here is a curiosity loop for you. What is the one thing everyone does while commuting or making coffee that actually kills their progress?
Listening to music?
Close, it's passive listening. People put on a very difficult English podcast, something for native speakers, like the BBC News, and they just let it play while they think about other things. Their brain ignores it. It becomes white noise.
Guilt. This is me. I do this every day. I feel productive because I hear English, but I don't understand a single word.
It's a trap. Instead, you need active input. Listen to something at your level, like this podcast. Listen to one segment, then pause it and repeat what we said. Just one sentence.
So, quality over quantity.
Always. If you listen to 5 minutes and understand 80%, you learn more than listening to 60 minutes and understanding 0%.
I wish I knew this earlier. I spent so many hours listening to English movies while sleeping, thinking I would wake up like Shakespeare.
If only. Okay, let's get into the emotional connection. Why do you want to learn English, Ali?
To get a better job, I guess, and to travel without feeling like a lost tourist.
Right, so in your morning routine, you need one why moment. While you drink your coffee, look at a picture of your dream destination, maybe London or New York, and say one sentence about why you are doing this. I am practicing today so I can talk to people in London.
That feels powerful. It's not just studying, it's preparing. Exactly. It changes the vibe from a chore to a gift. I have a question, Sarah. What about writing? I see people saying you must write a journal every morning, but that takes so long.
Let's be honest, most of us don't have time for a journal. Here is the B1 hack, the to-do list.
The to-do list?
Yes, everyone writes a list of tasks. Write yours in English. Call the bank, finish the report, buy groceries. It takes 0 extra time, but it forces your brain to think in English for real-life tasks.
Oh, I actually did this yesterday by accident. I wrote doctor instead of the word in my language. I felt so proud.
See? That's the feeling we want. Small wins.
Okay, so let's do another emotional recap because we've covered a lot. We're changing the phone, talking in the shower, listening to active English at our level, and writing our to-do lists in English. It sounds like a lifestyle, not a class.
That's the secret, Ali. People who study English usually quit. People who live English for 15 minutes every morning usually succeed.
I have a fail story about the to-do list, though. One time I wrote prepare for the execution instead of prepare for the execution of the project. My wife saw it and was very worried.
Oh no! See, that's why we practice, to avoid being mistaken for a movie villain.
Exactly. But hey, I learned the word execution and I never forgot it.
That's a great point. Fails are the best teachers. Don't be afraid to write the wrong word in your morning list. It's your list. No one is grading it.
You know, I'm feeling much more motivated now. I used to wake up feeling guilty that I hadn't studied. Now I feel like I can just be in English.
That's the goal. I wish I knew this earlier, but the pressure to be perfect is what stops most students. If you spend your morning being perfectly imperfect in English, you'll be fluent in no time.
So for the people watching, what is one thing they can do tomorrow morning? Just one.
Tomorrow morning, when you are making your coffee or tea, don't touch your phone. Just talk to the coffee machine in English. Tell it your plans for the day.
I can hear my neighbors now. Why is Ali talking to his teapot?
Let them wonder. You'll be the one with the great English skills in 6 months.
Fair point.
Now, before we go, we have a very special episode coming up next week. We're going to talk about English for introverts, how to practice speaking when you're too shy to talk to real people.
Oh, that's me. I'm definitely an introvert outside of this podcast. I need that one.
It's going to be a game changer.
Also, guys, we want to hear from you. What is your current morning routine? Do you check your phone first, or do you have a secret English habit? Tell us in the comments. We read all of them.
We really do. It helps us know what to talk about next.
And don't forget to grab the morning routine PDF in the description if you want a checklist of what we talked about today.
Remember, English isn't a subject you learn. It's a life you live.
Well said, Sarah. Well, I'm going to go practice talking to my toaster now.
Good luck with that. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Stay fluent.